Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today, we have a fun art project from Miss Gerveler, an art teacher from Missouri. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hi, my name is Miss Gerveler and I am an elementary art teacher from Missouri. I teach at Rawls County Elementary, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a contour line drawing of a dance pose. So think of your favorite dance move and let's get started. The supplies that you'll need for this project are a piece of white paper, colorful markers, a dance move printed on cardstock, a Sharpie, and a pencil. So first I'm going to start off by picking a dance move. I'm going to pick the hype, and you can print mine that I drew on cardstock so that you can use these too, or you could find your own off of Google. Just type in dance silhouettes. I'm going to go ahead and cut my dance move out. So I'm cutting the figure out and then I'm going to trace around it. So it'd be easier if you printed your figure out on cardstock so that it'll be easier to trace. Now I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to trace around my figure, and then take my Sharpie and trace over my pencil lines. I'm using a thicker Sharpie so that I can color in my figure since we're making a silhouette. So I'm going to start coloring in my figure. A silhouette is just a shadow of an object, so that's why I'm coloring the whole thing black. Now, don't forget to label your dance move if you would like. And now I'm going to grab my colorful markers and I'm going to pick two colors that go well together. And I'm going to trace around my figure. This is called a contour line, when you go around an object with a line. Then I'm going to repeat these contour lines alternating colors. So I'm going to switch back and forth between yellow and purple, making contour lines out to the edge of my paper. I'm finishing off my figure with a thicker line around the edge just to kind of finish it up. But if you want to go all the way to the edge with your contour lines, that's cool too. And that's it, guys. Pretty easy peasy. So I hope you try this out, and thanks for watching. Bye!